The Nifty 50 rose by 1.13% and ended the day at 24,486 with a PE ratio of 22.6. The Nifty Midcap 150 Index currently trades at a PE ratio of 43.1, and Nifty Small Cap 250 Index currently trades at a PE ratio of 32.2. The India 10-year bond yield currently stands at 6.91, and the U.S. 10-year bond yield currently stands at 4.42. The ticker tape Fear Greed Index currently stands at a value of 43.20, which is in fear zone. Donald Trump looks set to take over as the 7th President of the United States of America. Unilever's global CEO Hein Schumacher emphasized India's pivotal role, with rural growth showing signs of revival and inflation beginning to ease. Schumacher noted that India's economic dynamics mirror trends in the U.S., with renewed consumer confidence but moderated by inflation impacts. Private equity giant TPG is establishing a pioneering green financing platform in India, planning an initial investment of $1 billion to support sustainable energy projects, a first in the country's NBFC space. Thanks to a favorable monsoon, India's Kharif season crop production is expected to increase, with rice output alone anticipated to grow by nearly 6%. According to the Agriculture Ministry's first advance estimate. Elon Musk's Starlink criticized Indian telecom operators for self-serving spectrum pricing practices, urging fair access for satellite spectrum to better serve underserved users in India. In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court restricted states' rights to acquire private property, reinforcing constitutional protections for individual property rights in India. Indians bought a record-breaking 220 tons of silver during the Dhanteras Diwali period this year, marking the highest level in 2 decades, though gold sales saw a slight decline. The Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of Uttar Pradesh Madrasa Education Act, which establishes a framework for madrasas, reinforcing state obligations to minority education. Luxury brands are eyeing the holiday season to drive sales in India, capitalizing on strong consumer demand during the festive period to boost their market presence. India will need an estimated $10.1 trillion in investments by 2070 to meet its net zero emission targets, marking an ambitious push for sustainable development. The bond-to-equity earnings yield ratio stands at 1.56, which signifies premium Nifty valuation. To understand beer ratio analysis, please refer the explanation text on your screen and on the description of the video. For a one-to-one discussion with a highly experienced finance professional who always keeps your interest ahead of everything, you can write to us at info@eacapital.in, and one of our team members will get in touch with you.